3, 2, 1.
What object was used to kill Mrs. Huber in Desperate Housewives? The answer is D. Blender. Actor Maclean Stevenson is the common bond between which two shows? The answer is D. Mash Sash Hello Larry. Who is Carlton Banks' musical idol on the sitcom The Fresh Prince of Bel-Air? The answer is C. Tom Jones. Which instrument is associated with blue notes? The answer is A. Harmonica. What kind of bonds, where electrons are transferred rather than shared, are considered the ultimate in polarity? The answer is B. Ionic bonds. What color are Manolo Blahnik's signature shoes? The answer is D. Black and nude. Which of these is a baseball team based in Philadelphia? The answer is C. Philadelphia Phillies. Which of these will take the longest time to observe? The answer is C. An acorn growing into an adult tree. Which fashion designer is known for his ready-to-wear collections? The answer is A. Yves Saint Laurent. What are common side effects of pregnancy? The answer is D. All of these. What is professional wrestler The Rock's birth name? The answer is C. Dwayne Douglas Johnson. Dan Brown's best-selling thriller Angels and Demons regenerated the interest in what secret society? The answer is D. Illuminati. What is the famous statue in New York's Central Park named? The answer is A. Lady Liberty. Who was the founder of Facebook? The answer is C. Mark Zuckerberg. I store memories, but I don't get older. What am I? The answer is C. Hard drive. Who are the neighbors of the Petries on the Dick Van Dyke Show? The answer is D. The helpers. Since everything seems to be all right at the end of the song Hello Mutta, Hello Fata, what are the guys doing? The answer is C. Swimming and sailing. How is xylem similar to phloem in a plant? The answer is B. They both transport materials through the plant. I can be thrown and caught, but never felt. What am I? The answer is B. Frisbee. I'm full of wires, but I can't tie a knot. What am I? The answer is A. Cable. What is the word alchemy generally believed to mean literally? The answer is D. The art of transformation. Proto-oncogenes normally help regulate what? The answer is A. Cell division. Which element has the atomic number 92? The answer is B. Uranium. What is it called when electrons are shared equally? The answer is C. Nonpolar bonds. What is the major selective advantage of myelination? The answer is D. Space efficiency. What is a solar hour approximately equal to? The answer is C. 75 minutes. What is transmitted that makes up the electromagnetic spectrum? The answer is C. Electromagnetic radiation in different wavelengths. Jerry Orbach won the Tony Award for Best Actor for his role in which 1968 musical? The answer is B. Promises, Promises. A research team wanted to produce a smaller variety of German Shepherd dogs. They mated the smallest dogs from different litters for several generations. This is an example of which concept? The answer is C. Selective breeding. What role did Terrence Howard play in the 1995 movie Dead Presidents? The answer is C. Cowboy. Which item of clothing has a hood, often associated with athletes or skateboarders? The answer is B. Hoodie. Who is the first human who murdered a human according to the Bible? The answer is C. Cain. What do electrons lose during their transfer from organic compounds to oxygen? The answer is A. Potential energy. The English language has quite a variety of words for the babies of different animals. What is the proper word for a baby swan? The answer is C. Cygnet. In 1978, William Friedkin directed The Brinks Job. The movie was based on the 1950 armed robbery of the Brinks building in which almost $3 million was stolen. Where did the robbery take place? The answer is B. Boston, Ma. A book of tales never written. What am I? The answer is C. Library. The world's widest river is the Amazon. What is its average width approx? The answer is C. 30 km. What is a futon often used for in Western culture? The answer is A. Sofa bed. What is the unit used to measure air pressure? The answer is B. Millibar. For what medical condition is non-metallic gold beneficial, according to some studies?
The answer is A. All of these.
What does actinology study? The answer is A. The study of the effect of light on chemicals. I break records but not glasses. What am I? The answer is A. Runner. What is a type of edible bulb commonly used in Mediterranean and Middle Eastern cooking? The answer is A. Garlic. Where was season 1 of The Real World filmed?
The answer is C. New York.
I have crotchets and quavers, yet no heartbeats. What am I? The answer is A. Piano sheet music. Which Hall of Fame is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma? The answer is C. Cowboy Hall of Fame. Which is the world's most energy-efficient car? The answer is C. Honda Insight. Which electronic device stores and retrieves data? The answer is D. Hard drive. Which Roman emperor was famously said to have declared "let them eat cake" upon hearing about the peasants' suffering? The answer is C. Caligula. What is the process called in which living things produce offspring?